Hello, my name is Nick Koukis, and this is my video for my game, The Eldritch Knights of Stelos. A bit of a working title, trying to come up with something better maybe, but before I get started I wanted to show you this, which is the video game I'm kind of somewhat basing my game off of. It's a text-based video game where you play as a general trying to lead their men against forces of evil monsters. Now, the main mechanics are somewhat simple. The main gameplay can remain the same. Essentially, you're going to be able to run through, essentially buying troops and upgrades and such. Like, each player is going to be able to do that, and then all their turns ends, and then the monsters act, and that repeats. So, like, for example, just as an example, maybe the players might be able to buy an archery tower or something, and no, I don't want to continue, so that's that, and then their security increases, or in this case, they might have, a actual token to go on the map. I could 3D model those and print them very easily, and this won't be in the game, but this is more just for playability. But I am going to just upgrade my tower with as much as I can, which is going to be 45. So yeah, that's that. And then, so my turn will end, and the monsters will attack, and if they attack and I don't succeed, they kill some of my people. Now, there might be some changes when going physical. After all, who wants to spend a whole bunch of time doing complicated math? And while it's easy for a computer to do that, I might focus more on making some of the numbers smaller, and making it so that the players have to do less math, and that there's more of a focus on social and political aspects of the game, as well as just killing some monsters, because who doesn't like doing that? But either way, that's that. And in addition, there are going to be additional things that are going to be stripped from and put into the game and implemented. So I'm planning on stripping on food from the game, because while it would be good to do for a computer game, a human managing two variables like that, potentially three, because if we're doing security, that's three. It's going to be a lot of math, which might get difficult, honestly. And once again, no one likes doing math. In addition, I'm also planning on having it so that there's a point system that, like a lot of European board games, where points are added up at the end. So that way, you're not quite sure who's going to win until the end. That being said, I also plan to have secret agendas that can give players additional points. So that way the players are more encouraged to act in strange, non-optimal ways. And this is more of an idea I'm toying around with. And to be quite honest, I'm not sure whether it will work or not, is having some sort of trader, like, how the board game Betrayal on a House on a Hill has, has some sort of trader. But I'm not sure if it'll work or not. I think it might prototype the game beforehand, make sure all the variables are running, I'll make sure all the game balance are running, the map is smooth, that sort of thing. And, see where it goes from there. Either way, my name is Nick Koukis, and thank you for watching.